Today we're gonna make a sweet and savory BLT. First things first, place the bacon on a cold pan. Don't forget to flip your bacon once in a while. Bacon's slowly getting nice and crispy. So let's get to the sweet part of this BLT. We're gonna prepare some French toast. So here we have a cup of 35% cream, 3 eggs. Here we got some maple syrup. Here we have some Grand Marnier. If your kids are gonna be eating this, don't worry, all the alcohol is gonna evaporate. And finally, some cinnamon. Mix it all up. Let's mix all that goodness. Let's dip your bread. Make sure it's not too soggy and put it in the pan. 1, knock off that excess. 2, cook it in that bacon goodness. Floop, flip that bad boy. Golden goodness. Mayo, lettuce, a tomato here, salt, some pepper, the bacon. Put this on top like that. Isn't she beautiful? There you have it. A sweet and savory BLT inspired by Maddie Madison. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and check out these other great videos.